Presenting Samsung T7 1TB external solid state drive. This product comes in 3 capacity variants of 500GB, 1TB and 2TB. It also comes in 2 color variants of black and silver. This external solid state drive performs at a speed of up to 1050 MB per second. This device is compatible with laptops and works with Windows 7 and higher, Mac OS X 10.10 and higher, or Android 5.1 Lollipop and higher. It has a USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface. It comes with a durable, shock-resistant internal frame that lets the T7 withstand falls from up to 2 meters. This device comes in black color. The dimensions of this product are 8.5 cm into 5.7 cm into 0.8 cm and weighs 58 grams. Inside the box, you will find one portable SSD, one USB Type-C to Type-C cable, one USB Type-C to A cable, and one quick reference guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.